How to import folders and keep structures into Davinci Resolve. To begin, I open Davinci Resolve. I have this folder and inside it, I have two other folders. Drag the folder into the media pool. This way, the structure of my folder is not maintained. To maintain the folder structure, first, make sure to click on this button to see the left pane. Now drag the folder inside the left side of the media pool. This way, Davinci keeps my folder structures. The same thing is also true on the media page. Drag the folder to the center if you don't want the structure, and drag it to the left if you want the folder structure. Now drag the folder into media storage to find that folder. Here you can drag the folder from media storage into media pool and keep or don't keep the folder structure. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.